Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you guys how to edit video subtitle in YouTube Studio. Before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. Okay, now open any your preferred browser. Okay, and then you will see a logo on the top right corner, your YouTube logos. Press this and then you will see a selection called YouTube Studio. Press this. Okay, so now you are in the YouTube Studios. And then you see a selection called Subtitles. Press this. And then choose one video you want to edit. And then press this arrow. Yeah, and then you'll see a publish automatic. And you'll see a 3 dots here. So press these options. And then you will see a selection called Edit on Classic Studio. Press this. Okay, you need to wait for the video to buffer a while. Okay, so now. Okay, now. So after the buffer finish, you need to see a selection called Edit. Press Edit. And then you can see here, and then okay, now you press this. Okay, see this this is Renzus Woof, but the YouTube. Okay, so now we're gonna change it. You just press this and then change it. Okay, so after change finish, you just maybe you just play the videos and then you will save automatic. Okay, so okay, when you see the wrong, you just stop and then edit. Okay, after edit finish, you just let's publish edits. Make sure to publish your edits. If not, your all edit will be lost. Okay, so publish edits. Okay, after you publish finish, you can see two. The automatic one is has an arrow. This one English one is created by yourself. So press this again. Okay, and then you'll see, and then you unpublish this, because this one is the generate by automatic and have some arrow. So unpublish. You don't need to set about the timing all are correct. Right? Just some words inside you need to change. So all this timing are correct. Okay, so this one, and then yeah, this one you just okay. So this one is incorrect. Okay, so okay, when I finish, just return to YouTube Studios. Okay, so now you want to double check, is it your subtitles are correct? Okay, now you see published by creators. Okay, now you have okay, so now you are done. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching. See you next video.